Hello, this is Omar Elizabeth Wood Education, Blog 43. I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk to you about Omar Parrot named Jupiter, who has been killed by his sister dog Jack. I will see you in the next page. Hello, this is Elizabeth Wood Education Blog 43. I welcome you to my channel on YouTube here in the World Wide Web. Today's subject is going to be about Omar Bird Jupiter. Let me tell you how I happened to go on to live stream with Omar. Is I was on a website searching for information on something that I questioned, and as I was reading the reading the website, reading the article, down on my active tray above it, thing came out about Omar. I'm making an announcement. So I clicked on it, and there was Tiffany. She was on live stream right there, and she told us what happened. That Omar lost Jupiter to Jack, his sister dog. He would tell you about it in the video. I lost her. If you go to his channel, if he still has it up, it's on YouTube right now as I speak. It may not be there too. I know it's hard on Omar. He loved that bird. He had 3 parrots, 3 of them, and 2 of them gotten away on him, and they only left Jupiter for him to care for. Well, as Timothy was explaining why the live stream was planned and got disrupted, I heard Omar crying in the background, and I felt so bad. I sat here and had tears come to my eyes. And then, after I watched that, I went back to my article that I was reading. And then down on the active tray, another message came out that Omar was going to go on live stream. I lost her is the title of this video. So I went and watched it, and I was crying. I felt so bad for Omar. He loves those birds so much, and he likes the freedom of the birds, and he likes to, let them go and fly around inside his house. And he explained it to us about that. Well, Sympathy, she made a coffin out of a box and put some petals in there, and Jupiter was in that box. And I feel for Omar, and I know all his fans does too. It's natural to grieve over a lost one that passes on, either an accident or natural causes. It's natural that we cry because they're not with us anymore in the physical sense. But in the spiritual sense, they are alive in heaven with God. And that is wonderful. Well, I was going to upload another video on this, and I had pictures of my cats. I was telling the viewers what I had to go through when my pets died. Of course, there wasn't a time I did not cry. Did I lose my pets? And that goes for anybody that has a pet. Now, it's going to get worse. I just read in Microsoft Edge caption of the slide, the slide keep going by on Microsoft Edge. It said that the animals could get the coronavirus. So I hope that Omar's dogs don't get it, or anybody's dog. So keep your dogs um, safe. Have them in the house and only let them out when they have to do their business and bring them back in the house. Isolate them like we are isolated, that we don't go anywhere. Yeah, it's a sad day for Omar. Um, those parrots are very beautiful birds, and they came from a tropical uh, uh, country. These parrots and the parakeets and the cockatoo. Um, there are big birds like a cockatoo and parrots. They come from a tropical country where it's moist, where it's warm. That's where they come from. And I remember we had a bird. It's a canary. It's a um, canary bird. We had a cage for it, and it was my duty to take it and clean it and put the sheet of paper in it and feed it and give it a bath. That was my chore that my mom gave me to take care of the canary. But he passed away because there was a draft that come up on him and he passed away. And at nighttime we put something over the cage so he can sleep. And he sings like a regular. Of course, there's a loss there. I don't remember being upset or grieving over the loss of that canary bird. But one time it got out. Somehow it got out of the cage and it flew outside. And boy, was I I was worried about him not coming back. And he did. We got him. We put him back in the cage. You know. Well, we had to be careful. Having a bird, you have to be careful. You have to keep the cage clean. You have to change the bottom. Uh, there were special sheets that you put on the bottom of the cage at the time that I took care of the canary. And, there's some food that you can give the canary. And, um, we didn't have that bird for very long. It didn't live very well in my house. Well, I can't have a bird anyway. Can't have anything. Because I'm a little bit old to do that. As you get older, then you're limited to what you can do. So, those birds are so beautiful. Those parrots are beautiful birds. I love the colors on them. And Jupiter, if I can remember, It's a really beautiful girl. She is such a sweetheart to Omar. And Omar, I'd like to have you watch this video. I want to say to you that I'm sorry your loss. That that was a bird that it was dear to you, and the other two that flew away on you. You know, would that be a miracle if they came back? Wouldn't that be a miracle, Omar? Yeah. My prayer goes out for you. My condolences, Omar. I know it's very upsetting and it's very it hurts. I know. It hurts really bad. We all go through this. We all lose our pets because of natural causes. But this one here was a different passing. Of course, you are right. The dog had instincts to stop emotion. That's why they don't like motion. They gotta stop it. That's why the bird was flipping around, and he went to stop it because he can't. You know, they don't like motion, and that's why they run. That's why they chase cars or any animal that is outside. They go chasing the animal to try to stop it from running, and they kill it, and that's their instinct. And you are right, Omar. It's their instinct. And the cats are the same thing. The reason why I took my other video down talking about this is because of the because of the rules here that we're not to show animals or pets in our video. I got to thinking about it after I made the video, and I haven't yet edited it yet. Um, and I got to thinking about it. I said, "Oh, I hadn't better upload that video because YouTube is going to flag it as made for kids, and I don't want that to happen." I had pictures of my cats. I was showing the pictures of my first two cats after my parents had passed away, a Cocoa Baby and Muffin Boy. And I was showing pictures on that of them two. No, I can't show it because of the ruin here. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, dear. Well, anyway, I forgot uh, what the name of the trade or something. Oh, it will come to me. That's part being old. You can't remember things very well. Well, you know the ruin, the FDC or something. I, I'm sorry, I can't think of the name of that. Federal Trade Commission, FTC, Federal Trade Commission, F, F something. Help me here. Help me. Well, Omar, I feel for you. I really do. I know what it is to lose a dear pet that you love so much, and I went through about maybe 5 or 6 times of grieving and hurt that I lost my cats and dogs. I had how many cats? I had 4 cats and 4 dogs. The one dog is not in it, or 3 dogs. There's Camelot. There's Senegal 1, Senegal 2. There's 3 dogs of mine. We had pets before that, before my parents passed on in 1985. We had a Cocker Spaniel, and then we had a Terrier, and then we had a mix, 3 dogs, and then we had a black dog. I think it was a black lab, My father, he took it down back and shot it because it got hit by a truck. You know, we love our animals and we take care of them the best we can. We take them to the vets and give them their shots, and we take good care of them. And they only live, I think the longest they will live is about 10 or 12 years. I know my colleague lived to be 12 years old, and I know that. Um, they could live longer if they are really taken care of, you know. Well, Omar, I'm with you. I'm gonna go to your channel and put in there my video I have up for you to watch. Um, I was in tears, just right. When I heard you crying in the background when Tiffany was online screaming, I was crying too. I had tears coming down my eyes, and I was really sad. I really was. And you know, it takes time. I mean, grieving takes time to heal. And then after the grieving, all you have is memories of your bird. And you can feel comfortable talking about it and not be crying. And I hate my parents. I love my parents. I forgive my parents and my mom and my dad. And that was hard. 1985 was the worst year of my life. I lost both of my parents in 1985, and I was 42 years old at that time. And I lost them. They both died in the same year, and I was left with the house. And right up until 2013, I had to sell my house. I could not, you know, afford to pay the bills, the utility bills. So I sold my place and moved into my apartment. And I moved in the apartment across the parking lot. And then I got moved over here. And this is my new home. Well, anyway, um, I will stop here. And Omar, I, I say my condolences to you for the loss of Jupiter. I know how much that means to you to have her as your friend and pal when she was alive. Well, you can have, you know, you have good memories of your bird. After the grieving, it depends on how long that you'll be hurting. But after a while, you'll get over the grieving. Only you have memories of her that you can think of. So, I thank you, and my prayer goes out to you and your family. And stay safe from the coronavirus. Stay home, and your pets have to be protected too from this coronavirus. So, I thank you for watching. Excuse me, a little bit froggy this morning. I will see you the next time. Um, this is Elizabeth Wood. Um, um, the Wood Creek, the Wood Education, Blog 43 on the world, YouTube and the World Wide Web. I will see you the next time on YouTube and the World Wide Web. See you there.